Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Proton Calendar login issues step by step. If you can't sign into Proton Calendar, the problem is usually caused by incorrect login details, an unstable internet connection, browser issues, or account security settings. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Open a few websites to confirm your device is online. If your connection is unstable, reconnect to Wi-Fi, switch to another network, or restart your modem and router before trying to sign in again. Next, make sure you're entering the correct Proton email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, incorrect capitalization, or extra spaces. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the Proton sign-in page and follow the recovery instructions. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, or 2FA, make sure you're entering the latest verification code from your Authenticator app. I mean, these codes expire quickly, so use the most recent one displayed. If you're signing in through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser. You can also try using another supported browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. If you're using the mobile app, update Proton Calendar to the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, if you still can't log in, check the official Proton status page to see if there's a temporary service outage. If everything is operational and the issue continues, contact Proton support for additional assistance with your account, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Proton Calendar login issues and regain secure access to your calendar and other Proton services. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.